Hi everyone, today we will create a simple but interesting effect. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add B-spline node and draw line. Disable solid parameter. Use border width to control thickness of the line. At frame 0, add keyframe to the position parameter. Move 70 frames forward and set value to 1. Set length parameter to 0.3. Go to Setting tab and enable Motion Blur. Set quality to 20 and Shutter Angle to 1400. Add bitmap node and connect B-spline to the yellow input. Set soft edge parameter to 0.01. Set the high channel value to 0.25. Add another bitmap node. Set its higher channel level to 0. Add an erode delayed node. Set filter to circle and amount parameter to -0.01. Add transform node. Add background node and connect it to the mask input. Set type to gradient and create the gradient of your choice. Add another background node and set its color to white. Connect previous background to it. Add soft glow node and connect the first background to it. Add and connect erode delay to the first background and set filter to circle. Add soft glow node and connect it to the previous soft glow. Finally connect everything to media out. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.